You have destroyed my...
They have destroyed my polluted. Now I shall destroy them. The earth shall be frozen over, and I shall start over again.
Everyone shall be dying. I have no sympathy anymore. I gave you guys too many chances. Why could I give myself some more opportunities? You want me to give you more time to change? More time to destroy my planet? No, I want you to give us more freedom. We'll change, I promise we'll change, I promise. Just don't destroy the earth. Then die, you fucking bitch! Die! 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 You're a whore. I'm much stronger than you. By the powers of nature, I shall destroy you. I must kill everybody on Earth for what they've done. They have destroyed my planet by polluting. Now I shall destroy them. And the Earth shall be frozen over, and I shall start over again.